Hello, Westhampton Library patrons. This is Mr. Evan here. I am a children's librarian trainee at Westhampton Library, and today I will be showing you how to get started on a Hoopla account, as well as some good ways to search some excellent titles that Hoopla offers. Hoopla offers movies and music and ebooks, all with Westhampton Library card access. So, we're going to hit Get Started today. You're going to type in your email, type in your email again, set a password, and make sure you write your password down. And then after you hit agree, it'll ask you to choose your library location, and you could search Westhampton Free Library, and it will pop right up. Excuse me. And then you'll hit next, and you'll have to enter in two things. First, your library card barcode on the back of your library card, as well as your PIN, which you use at Westhampton Library typically to reserve a book using our OPAC system, as well as to use self-checkout. Now, if you don't know your PIN, you can actually call us at Westhampton Free Library at 631-288-3335, and we can help you retrieve your PIN. So after you have your account, you log in, and now I am at Hoopla's webpage. So you can browse by format. So I'll hit ebooks. And then here we go. So this is primarily the kids version. I have it toggled on. So once we're there, you can search by format. So ebooks, release date, how recent a title is, the date it was added, same thing as release date for the most part. Patron rating, what other library patrons will nationally have rated the item, and language too. So we have English, Spanish, French, German, and even Italian. So we'll go to 5-star patron rating. I think this is an excellent way to search because you see what everybody else is using Hoopla for. And you find some fantastic stuff. They have all of Diary of a Wimpy Kid. They have some classics like Louis Satcher. They have Rick Riordan's new series. They have... I also know I saw Because of Winn-Dixie, so you have more classics. Little House on the Prairie. You have Frozen, Minecraft, Frog and Toad. So it goes through all age levels too. You can get a little bit of everything. And that's basically the gist of Hoopla. So here, I'll show you really quick how to check something out. So let's say we want to check out Curious George's Dinosaur Discovery. You would hit borrow. Borrow title. You could always read the conditions so you know how long you have something. This title is available for 21 days after you borrow it. This title is available for streaming and downloading, mobile devices only. That includes a tablet. Are you sure you want to borrow this title? Borrow title. All right. So now I have it, right? And I can access it by going to search. Oh, I'm sorry, My Hoopla. And you go currently borrowed, and there it is. And look, it'll start right up for you. And it has its own e-reader, and you can flip through the pages. Hoopla is great. I hope you use it. Hopefully we'll be back on in person soon enough, right? So everybody stay safe and enjoy some of the free resources we have to offer.
George, curious. What could be more interesting?